Hey guys, thank you for joining us today. We are gonna smoke some rabbit. It's a weird thing to smoke because rabbits are, a rabbit's very lean. There's not much fat on it. I wanted to do this video to show everyone that, the Smokaroma is just a great piece of equipment to add to any kitchen. It's not just for barbecue joint, taco shop, fine dining, anything. So we're gonna smoke this rabbit today with 4 ounces of wood chips, and it's about a 45-minute smoke time. It is a very lean cut of meat. There's not much fat in a rabbit, but the Smokaroma is gonna make it nice and tender. It's one of the greatest pieces of machinery for culinary cooking. So if you're a fine dining restaurant and you want to add lean smoked meats to your menu, that's an option as well. It can also do, traditional meats. It will smoke chicken and turkey breast in under 45 minutes. It will do a brisket and pulled pork in about 2.5–3 hours. And you're looking at ribs in around, 50-minute mark. And it only uses about 4 ounces of wood chips. So very, very innovative and great piece of equipment for any application. You can use it for a taco shop and makes, meats for your tacos. You can use it as a barbecue joint. Great for C-stores who want to add a quick barbecue item to their menu. It can be used at a full-scale barbecue joint in the sense that, if you have any last-minute catering orders, like a catering order comes in, at 12 p.m. for, a 4 p.m. catering, you're able to do it relatively easy without, foregoing that catering or running out of meats at your store. So really neat piece of equipment to add to any venue. For fine dining, like we're doing a rabbit right now, you can use that. Use it for rabbit, you can use it for smoked salmon, and you can do small pieces of smoked salmon, doesn't have to be huge. You can also cold smoke with the Smokaroma, which is pretty neat, which we're going to cover in another video. But so if you ever wanted to make like a barbecue, blueberry barbecue sauce, you can cold smoke the blueberries and shoot that through the smoker, and it'll make a really good sauce. Alright guys, so we are about done here. We just put a little bit of dry rub on our 2 rabbits. These rabbits were about, I think they were like at the 4 or 5 month mark, so they're fairly smaller rabbits, California rabbits. Alright, we're gonna put it through the smoker. Let's see how it comes out. Alright guys, so our rabbit is done. As you can see, it's very moist, very tender, and done to perfection. Alright, well, great for fine dining restaurants, so nice smoky flavor to it as well. Thanks for joining us today.